Hello traders, welcome back to the channel and I hope you are all doing great. So yesterday only we posted a video, we put a very big font, I think it's around 100 size that there is going to be a gap up and in fact that is going to be a trap, and that is exactly what has happened. Now in fact I will tell you something else also. Now I thought it will gap up and it will go till 17,800 but to my surprise market were not even able to go till 17,800. So we'll talk, this is not Nifty chart, this is US futures. We'll talk about that later. Now I thought that today's high was around 17,694. It was not even able to touch 17,800. Now I was in the assumption maybe it will touch 17,800, then it may retrace. It opened at 17,634, even 150 points it couldn't go, and you know what happens. Bears were very strong and they have decisively closed. Markets have, Nifty has decisively closed in the red. Now in terms of if you see it in terms of candlestick pattern, they call this as a doji pattern. Now what is doji pattern? Indecisiveness. But when a gravestone doji is formed, that is, market has gone to the higher side but bulls are not able to take the market even more further on the higher side, and they have failed, and bears have been able to bring the market below the open. That is the point. Bears were able to bring the market below the open. Now if you see today's open is around 17,634 and close is 17,623. Around 10 points they have closed. This is Nifty. So the probability of market reversing is very high, and Nifty is okay, but Bank Nifty was much worse. Let me take you to the Bank Nifty chart. Now if you see this Bank Nifty chart, there is an engulfing pattern. Yesterday there was a gravestone doji and today is a engulfing pattern, and this chart, whatever line you are seeing or whatever support and resistance you are seeing is not drawn before coming to shooting this video. This, if you are following us, I have been saying the probability of market going on the higher side is very low until we have a positive news. You tell me, what is the positive news? There is none. Only positive news was that the pause of interest rate hike by RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das, and that is also fizzled out, or that is also history, or that is also being factored into. Now going forward, we have lots of data in US, that is inflation rate year on year and core inflation rate data. So markets are going to look for that data. Unless we get a positive data in this inflation rate year on year and core inflation rate, I don't think market is going to go on the higher side. We really need a positive news, which is lagging in this market. So this is my perspective. In case we have a negative data from the US, in case the data is not in favor of the market participants, then we might see a downward trajectory. That is what I hope. As I talk to you, US futures are also down. It's all in the red. Let me show you. US futures are also in the red. I think Dow Jones is down by, it's almost flat. S&P is down, and even Nasdaq is down. Europe is closed for Easter today. So only US is open. US markets futures are in the red, and even SGX Nifty is in the red. In fact, SGX Nifty is below 17,600. So we'll see how things pan out, and we'll also see how FII data, what FIIs have done in terms of buying or selling. We'll also see how much they are holding in index position, and we'll also see the open interest. So everything, all these three things, open interest, FII DI data, and even FII holdings, index holdings, shows all different kind of data. So overall, if you ask me, I am bearish. I was holding bearish positions. Not only me, even our members were holding bearish positions. So we believe, or I believe, that the market may go on the downside. If you think otherwise, let me know on the comment section. Right now, if you see the FII data, this is surprising. In spite of market making two-way, three-way move, 16,000 it gapped up at around 16,300, went all the way till 16,000, how much? Maybe 16,680 levels, then came all the way to all the way below 16,623. It closed at 16,023. But if you see the FII DAI data, both FIIs and DAIs are net buyers. So FIIs have bought for around 882 crores and DAIs have bought for 351 crores. Now, I'll tell you one more thing. There might be chances market may touch 16,800, but I don't think that there is nothing above 16,800 or 17,000, no matter what happens. Unless until there is really some positive news, sorry, I'm telling 16,000, 17,000. Market is not going to touch 18,000 or it's not going to go above 18,000. Now, this is my perspective. I can go wrong, right? So, I believe tomorrow maybe we will test a 17,500 and Bank Nifty is already in the red. It was not even able to hold 41,000. Maybe we will see 40,500 levels tomorrow. So looking at all these things, I believe, strongly believe, so this is the third time I am saying I am bearish, right? And if you see the participant wise data, still we are having the seventh data. Let me see if we have got the seventh data. Still FIIs have 1,36,439 active short contracts in futures. Now that is significantly low when you compare with last week. Now last week and all they had around 166,000, but they have reduced it from 166,000 to 136,000. That's why you saw Bank Nifty coming from 16,800 levels to around 17,500 or even 17,700 levels. At the same time, future index long is not enough. Just 30,000 contracts of future index long. At the same time, if you see retailers are having 160,000. DAs are having around 18,026. Proprietary traders are having 32,815, and total short contracts is around 349, 944 active contracts, same as long contracts. So it's going to be a bull or bear fight. It's going to be, markets are going to be volatile. And in terms of, when I tell volatile, India Week shot up drastically today. It was up by more than 5% at one point. We saw even 6% at one point of the time. So I think it is wise to short the market. Don't try to go long in the market. Of course, it is up to you whether you want to go long in the market or short in the market. I'm just throwing some insight, or I'm just throwing what I think. I may go wrong, I may be right. We really don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But what the data says, or what the price action is saying, is that it is at least respecting the trend line which we have drawn few days back. So this is in terms of price action, and this is in terms of open interest, not open interest, participant wise open interest and DIA FIA activity. We'll also see what is in terms of open interest. Open interest, if you can see, this 17,000 put option is having huge contracts. Now around 750,000 put option has been written today. Now, are these open interest has been bought or has been sold? We don't know. If it has been bought, means markets are super bearish. We really don't know about that. Maybe they have bought, and 17,600 straddle has been written aggressively. Both 17,600 call option and 17,600 put option is being written aggressively, and there are more calls being returned than more puts. So overall there are more calls than put, right? And in terms of Bank Nifty, if you see, Bank Nifty is having huge number of calls being returned from 41,000 until 42,000, and highest open interest is at 42,000, 41,500 and even 41,000, right? So it's really up to you whether you want to go long or whether you want to short the market. If it was me, I would short the market. I don't talk about stock. I specifically talk about option selling. So let's see how things pan out. Last but not the least, if you are not in our Telegram group, do consider joining our Telegram group. We have lots of discussion relating to stock market in our Telegram group, for which the link is on the description below. So if you want, you can join the Telegram group, right? Nothing much. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.